So today we have to discuss about Laplace transform of periodic function. So what is the meaning of periodic function? A function f of t is said to be periodic function of period t. If f of t plus nt is equal to f of t, what is here n? N means number of cycles or rotation. For example, we have to take sine curve, sine of t plus 2 pi is equal to sine t, or cos of 2t plus 2 pi is equal to cos t. Suppose you take the here y is equal to sin t, sin 0 is 0, sin 90 is 1, sin 180 is 0, sin 270 is minus 1 and sin 360 is 0. So that meaning is here 0 to pi is half cycle and pi to 2 pi half cycle. So total is 0 to 360 degree is the one complete cycle. For this complete cycle, what are the values is there? Different values is there. So afterwards what happen? All the values are repeated. That is called periodic function. So here one theorem is there. What is that theorem is? If f of t is a periodic function of period t, then Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 over 1 minus e power of minus s into capital T and integral of 0 to capital T e power of minus st f of t into dt. So in examination they will ask statement only, there is no proof. So here capital T, this one is capital T and this one is capital T. So this capital T represents what? Period. So now we take one problem. If f of t is equal to t in the interval 0 to a and 2a minus t in the interval a to 2a, and is given f of t plus 2a is equal to f of t. So then we have to prove that Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 by s square tan hyperbolic as by 2. So here what is the meaning of f of t plus 2a is equal to f of t means this is a periodic function of period t is equal to what? T is equal to 2a, capital T is equal to 2a. So how to do this problem is, so we know that formula Laplace transform of f of t is equal to what? 1 over 1 minus e power of minus st and integral of 0 to t e power of minus st f of t into dt. Now capital T is equal to what? 2a. Substitute t in place of 2a. Here t in place of 2a means what you get? 1 over 1 minus e power of minus 2as and 0 to t means t is equal to a e power of minus st f of t dt. So this is small st. So now 0 to 2a is there, no? So 0 to 2a, here 0 to 2a can be split into 0 to a and a to 2a, a to 2a. Now how to write means, so Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 over 1 minus e power of minus 2as 0 to a e power of minus st f of t is equal to what? T into dt and 0 a to 2a e power of minus st. In this interval function is what? 2a minus t into dt. Now this one you have to integrate e power of minus st and t and e power of minus st and 2a minus t. How to integrate? So that integration by using Bernoulli's rule. What is the Bernoulli's rule? So integral of uv is equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 etc. So u dash, u double dash, u triple dash represents differentiation. v1, v2, v3 this suffixes denotes integration. So which type of function you have to choose? U means u is always you have to choose t, t square, t cube etc. So here you have to choose u is equal to t and v is equal to e power of minus st in the first integral, and second integral u is 2a minus t and v is e power of minus st. So now what happen? U dash that becomes 1, v1 integrate with respect to t means e power of minus st divided by minus s. Similarly v2 what we get? E power of minus st divided by plus s square. And for a second integral u is equal to 2a minus t and u dash is equal to minus 1. So now we have to integrate. So 1 over 1 minus e power of minus 2as u means what here? T into v1 e power of minus st divided by minus s minus u dash 1 into v2 e power of minus st divided by s square. So for the first integral t is equal to 0 to a plus second integral u 2a minus t, 2a minus t into v1 same e power of minus st divided by minus s minus u dash is equal to minus 1, not minus t, u dash is equal to minus 1 and v2, so e power of minus st divided by s square. So limits is a to 2a. So now you have to apply that limits. How to apply that limits? First you have to apply upper limit, next to minus lower limit. So two integrals is there. After integration you have to apply that limits. Now you have to see here 1 over 1 minus e power of minus 2as, upper limit t is equal to a. So minus 1 by s we take outside, minus 1 by s we take outside, t is equal to a. What to get here? So e power of minus as minus lower limit t is equal to 0, 0 into any value 0. Next minus 1 by s square we take outside. So now t is equal to a, e power of minus as minus lower limit t is equal to 0, e power of 0 is 1. Next here upper limit t is equal to 2a, 2a minus 2a 0 into any value that becomes 0 minus lower limit t is equal to a, 2a minus a that is a and here e power of minus as divided by minus s. So here minus minus plus 1 by s square we take outside, t is equal to 2a. What happen here? E power of minus 2as minus lower limit t is equal to a, e power of minus as. So now this one you have to simplify. How to simplify? See minus 1 by s, a into e power of minus as is there. So here one term minus minus plus a into e power of minus as by s. So minus term plus term becomes cancel. Next you have to see here minus 1 by s square e power of minus as. So here minus 1 by s square e power of minus as. So same term. Right mark is this one same term. So same terms what happen? Adding. So adding what you get? Minus 2 e power of minus as by s square. Next here minus minus plus 1 by s square. So what is the remaining here? 1 by s square e power of minus 2as. Now this one you have to simplify. How to simplify means, so you take s square is the LCM. So s square is the LCM means then 1 over 1 minus e power of minus 2as. So then what you get? 1 plus e power of minus 2as minus 2 e power of minus as divided by s square. So 1 over 1 minus e power of minus 2as. See here these three terms we can combine and write a minus b whole square means 1 minus e power of minus as whole square. So expand we get same thing, a square 1 plus b square e power of minus as whole square e power of minus 2s minus 2ab minus 2 into 1 into e power of minus as minus 2 e power of minus as. So divide by s square is there, you have to write divide by s square. So next 1 over, see here numerator 1 minus e power of minus as whole square is there, no? So numerator, so denominator what is there? 1 minus e power of minus 2as is there. So I want to cancel one term. So that's why denominator term also you have to write 1 minus e power of minus as type. How to write 1 minus e power of minus 2as? So this can be written as 1 plus e power of minus as into 1 minus e power of minus as. So how to write a plus b into a minus b? What to get? A square minus b square. A square means 1 minus b square means e power of minus as whole square. That meaning is e power of minus 2as. So here one term 1 minus e power of minus as whole square one term and 1 minus e power of minus as one term becomes cancel. So now what is the remaining? 1 by s square. So numerator 1 minus e power of minus as remaining and denominator 1 plus e power of minus as is the remaining. Now so in the given question you have to see here, prove that or show that Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 by s square tan hyperbolic as by 2 is there. So as by 2 means 1 by 2 is present but here 1 minus e power of minus as is there. So that's why here multiply and divide by e power of as by 2, both numerator and denominator. So then what happen here? 1 by s square. So numerator e power of as by 2 into what? 1 minus e power of minus as, and denominator e power of as by 2 into 1 plus e power of minus as. So then this can be written as 1 by s square multiply 1 into this one, same, e power of as by 2 minus e power of as by 2 minus e power of minus s. So that meaning is what? So 1 by 2 minus 1. So take LCM, 2 is the LCM. So 1 minus 2. So minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2. So that becomes e power of as by 2 into e power of minus as, e power of minus as by 2. So denominator also same thing. E power of as by 2 into 1, e power of as by 2 plus, so 1 by 2 into minus 1. So 1 by 2 minus 1. So 1 by 2 minus 1, take LCM, what we get? Minus 1 by 2. So already we know one formula, sin hyperbolic x, that can be written as e power of x minus e power of minus x by 2. Or cross multiply, what to get? E power of x minus e power of minus x is equal to what? 2 sin hyperbolic x. Similarly, cos hyperbolic x can be written as e power of x plus e power of minus x by 2. Cross multiply, e power of x plus e power of minus x is equal to 2 cos hyperbolic x. So here also same thing is there. See, e power of x minus e power of minus x. So here x term is not present. Generally we have taken here x term. So this numerator can be written as 2 sin hyperbolic as by 2, and denominator term can be written as 2 cos hyperbolic as by 2. So here 2 becomes cancel. So what is the remaining? 1 by s square sin hyperbolic as by 2 divided by cos hyperbolic as by 2, that can be written as tan hyperbolic as by 2. So therefore Laplace transform of f of t is equal to tan hyperbolic as by 2 is the answer. So next we take next problem. Given f of t is equal to e in the interval 0 to a by 2 and minus e in the interval a by 2 to a. So totally this is 0 to a. 0 to a can be split into 0 to a by 2 and a by 2 a, and is given f of t plus a is equal to f of t. So f of t plus a. So here t, capital T represents period. Of period t is equal to a. Then we have to prove that or show that Laplace transform of f of t is equal to e by s tan hyperbolic a s by 4. Same thing for previous problem. So same formula, Laplace transform of f of t is equal to what? 1 over 1 minus e power of minus st. Here 1 minus e power of minus st. See here this is a capital T. So 0 to t e power of minus st f of t into dt. Suppose if to write here small t, that is wrong, because small t and capital T represents what? Period. So here what is period here? A. So substitute here t is equal to a. So what happened here? 1 over 1 minus e power of minus as. So 0 to a is t is equal to what? A, and e power of minus st f of t into dt. So now 1 over 1 minus e power of minus s. So 0 to a can be split into 0 to a by 2 e power of minus st. In that interval 0 to a by 2, that is function is e into dt, and a by 2 to a e power of minus st. In that interval functional value is minus e into dt. So now we have to see here e and e common is there. We can take that e outside. So if you take e outside, what happen? E over 1 minus e power of minus s. So what is there remaining? You have to write 0 to a by 2 e power of minus st dt, and 0 a by 2 to a, so minus e power of minus st dt. So now integrate. What is the integration of e power of minus st? E power of minus st divided by minus s. What is the limits? 0 to a by 2. So here also same thing. So plus into minus, minus e power of minus st integration e power of minus st divided by minus s. So this is the limits a by 2 to a. Now apply that limits. So outside e divided by 1 minus e power of minus as. So here minus 1 by s you have to write outside. Upper limit t is equal to a by 2. What happened here? E power of minus as by 2. Minus lower limit. So t is equal to 0. E power of 0 is 1. Next here minus into minus plus 1 by s you have to write outside. T is equal to a. E power of minus as minus lower limit t is equal to a by 2 e power of minus as by 2. So this one you have to simplify. How to simplify? We can take LCM. So what is the LCM here? S. So that s you take outside. So e by s. So what is the remaining? You have to write. So you take s outside. So what is the remaining? You have to write. What is the remaining? E power of minus as by 2 plus 1 plus e power of minus as minus e power of minus as by 2. See here minus e power of minus minus e power of minus as by 2 minus e power of minus as by 2. Same term is there. So same term with minus sign is there. You have to add and remaining 1 plus e power of minus as. So here these three terms you have to combine and you have to write 1 minus e power of minus as by 2 whole square. See a minus b whole square, a square 1 plus b square. So e power of minus as by 2 whole square. So whole square means this 2 becomes cancel. What you get? E power of minus as minus 2ab. So 2ab 2 into 1 into e power of minus as by 2. So numerator 1 minus e power of minus as by 2 is there, no? So denominator also you want to write like this because one term becomes cancel. See here 1 minus e power of minus as, that can be written as 1 plus e power of minus as by 2 into 1 minus e power of minus as by 2. How means a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So a square means 1 minus b square means what? E power of minus as by 2, that whole square. So whole square means, so this 2 becomes cancel 1 minus e power of minus as. So this is not becomes plus because e power of minus as whole square. So that 2 see like this, a power of m whole power of n, a power of m into n. This becomes multiplication, not this minus not becomes plus. So now what happened? Here one term 1 minus e power of minus as by 2 cancel. So what is the remaining? E by s 1 minus e power of minus as by 2 divided by 1 plus e power of minus as by 2. So in that given problem, we have to prove the tan hyperbolic as by 4. So that's why here multiply and divide by e power of as by 4. So what happened here? E by s as it is, you multiplied by e power of as by 4. What is there here? You have to write as it is 1 minus e power of minus as by 2. Here e power of as by 4. So you have to write 1 plus e power of minus as by 2. So e by s multiply, we get e power of as by 4 minus, so e power of as by 4 into e power of minus as by 2. See 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. What is the LCM? 4 is the LCM. 1 minus what? 2 2s. So minus 1 by 4. See 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 4. So here this becomes what? E power of minus as by 4. So denominator also same thing. E power of as by 4 into 1 e power of as by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. See plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So simplify, we will get minus 1 by 4. So same thing for previous problem. E power of x minus e power of x 2 sin hyperbolic x. E power of x plus e power of minus x 2 cos hyperbolic x. By using that one, the 2 becomes cancel, sin hyperbolic as by 4, and this can be written as cos hyperbolic as by 4. So e by s tan hyperbolic sin by cos tan hyperbolic as by 4 is the answer. Next problem, this is assignment for you. You do it this one. What is the problem? A periodic function of period 2 pi by W. A periodic function of period 2 pi by omega or W we can write is defined by f of t is equal to e sin omega t in the interval 0 to pi by omega and 0 in the interval pi by omega to 2 pi by omega. Here e and omega are constant. Then we have to prove that Laplace transform of f of t is equal to e omega divided by s square plus omega square into 1 minus e power of minus pi s by omega. Same thing for previous problems. What is the formula? Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 over 1 minus e power of minus st and 0 to t e power of minus st f of t into dt. So what is here period? So period is given 2 pi by omega. So now you have to substitute here. This is capital T. Remember, this is capital T, e power of minus st, capital T. So now substitute t is equal to 2 pi by omega 1 minus e power of minus 2 pi by omega into s. So here also 2 pi by omega can be split into 0 to pi by omega. What is the function? E power of minus st. That function is what? So e sin omega t. E sin omega t. And pi by omega to 2 pi by omega. What is the function in this case? So that is 0. So that meaning is what? Second integral, that becomes 0. So e divided by 1 minus 2 pi by s, 1 minus e power of minus 2 pi s divided by omega, 0 to pi by omega, e power of minus st. So this e is a constant. We can take e outside, sin omega t into dt. Now how to integrate this one? We can integrate by parts. No. So y is not possible means you can choose u. So when you have to differentiate u dash, u double dash not becomes constant or 0. Suppose you take u is sin omega t. When you have to differentiate, sin becomes cos, cos becomes minus sin. So there is no end. So that's why one formula is there. What is that formula means? Integration of e power of ax into sin bx into dx. That formula is e power of ax over a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx. So same thing, e power of minus ax. A is equal to what here? Minus s. And sin omega t. B means what? Omega. And variable here t is there. So here we have to integrate this one. What to get? E over 1 over 1 minus 2 pi s by omega e power of minus st divided by s square plus omega square minus s sin omega t minus w cos omega t in the interval 0 to 2 pi by omega. We apply and simplify, we will get that answer. So e omega divided by s square plus omega square into 1 minus pi s by omega. This is the assignment for you. You have to complete this one.